us to cover. And we're very grateful that we have found the time in what I understand is quite a hectic schedule to come and visit us in the Philippines. So welcome once again, Senators to Manila. Welcome to Buckingham Palace. And I'm sure it will have a productive and very constructive visit.
Well, thank you, Mr. President, and I can tell you, we are not only delighted but honored that you would receive us. This delegation began as a bipartisan and bicameral delegation. We had some 5 House of Representatives members coming with us, but because of their House rules, they had to drop off, and so it's only Senator Fisher and I at this point. So you honor us by entertaining a small but very supportive delegation of senators. And yes, we do have a lot of issues, but it's a mutual thing. We appreciate the support